So one question we got asked is, which mounting system should I use? If we see here, if I see the history or the statistics, two of the brands that we've used most is K2 and Esdec. So for those who don't know, that K2 is one of the largest European manufacturers, a German-based company, and Esdec is based in Netherlands, is also one of the largest mounting system suppliers today. So we can see here that historically we had customers buying a lot of these. K2 is very special and dear to our heart because Fusion Solar, majority of all our installations since we started 2012, all is with K2. And why did we choose this system? The system is, number one, the quality is really, really high, one of the best quality systems. The German engineering is top. And one of the downside may be that it can be complex and it has a lot of demands. But for example, if it were my own house, I would be very comfortable and very safe if we use K2. So K2 is really a nice system that I highly recommend that you all check out. So K2 from Germany. The second here is Esdec. Esdec is very well known in the Swedish or Scandinavian market. In my mind, when I hear Esdec, mainly is the lightweight, ease of use with the click system, a very fast installation pace, and it's very effective. Installers love this because you don't need any like screws or any special tools. So it's very click based. It's very fast, very low weight. So for the user, it's very nice. I would even go so far that said that Esdec has been for many years in Sweden the most popular brand. So I also highly recommend, if you want to have a choice that is super lightweight, to check out Esdec. Both Esdec and K2 are available in Aprilis, the platform, so you can check it out, and you can also order for Express. And if you are a new customer to this kind of product, please contact your sales representative, and we will arrange so you will have a good introduction. And both K2 and Esdec has fantastic teams here in Sweden, so you can get hands-on help. So that's also very nice for a startup. Yeah, so check out K2 and Esdec on Aprilis website. Take care.